Okay guys, we're back again. We're going to pick another one of the Master Lock Magnum series. This is the M115. And this is the best bidding I could find. That might sound unbelievable, but this was the best that they had. They only had 3 of these locks at the store, and this is it, guys. So let's take this thing off. And because I couldn't find any better bidding, I'm going to show you guys a couple other interesting things about this lock. Okay, so first off, what I realized is that unlike the Brinks lock that I just did a video on, this one here, you know, they're almost similar in size. This is a little bit heftier, obviously, and the shroud is not fully covering, but as you can see, the Brinks one is totally sealed. There's no visible way to take this off, to pry this outside off if you wanted to. With the Master Lock, as you can see, they leave the clips on either side completely vulnerable, so if for whatever reason you wanted to take this off, if you couldn't get tension properly, or if you happen to only have a short tension wrench with you, you take your flathead screwdriver, one side, the other, and then that's it. There's 2 more clips, one on either side, but once you get those 2 side ones off and down, it's not much else to get it right off. So the next thing is, once this top comes off, if this were, you know, locked onto something, you'd still be able to pull it up, you know, about 3/4 of the way. You get access to 4 of the 8 pins, which is just kind of crazy. I thought they did not bother to make the plates cover these pins. They are, you know, they're sealed in there by a little over half of the circle, but you know, I wonder how much it would take to really pry those out, even just enough to get at this bottom plate and try and manipulate it. But anyways, so I thought that was interesting, pretty cheap. The other thing is, guys, the spring tension on this is pretty wild. It's that's the other thing about this. One of the keys is so poorly made it barely fits in here. The spring tension on this is so crazy that normally doesn't pop up. It's normally held down by this shroud. But anyways, if I can angle this properly here and get it to focus, show you guys. This is a 5-pound weight. This hunk of steel probably weighs about 2 pounds, and the clamp maybe half a pound. There's probably close to almost 8 pounds here. I know it might not seem like it's moving it a whole lot, guys, but I don't know, I thought that was pretty wild that it could push 8 pounds. Anyways, let's get to picking this sucker. Get in the vise, clamp it up. Ow. Okay, we're solid. Hocus pocus, we got focus. Bottom of the keyway, and let's pick it. It's only 4 pins, as you saw with the key. Not sure what just happened there, but anywho. Okay, let's just reset there. Try that again. Sometimes it acts a little funky on me. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. Now check this out, guys. Watch the plug. There's so much spring tension on this that when we close it, it works as its own plug spinner. There's so much tension, it flips that plug around so fast that it skips the driver pins and goes into the counterclockwise position. How crazy is that, eh? That's how much spring tension is on this sucker. Oh, I'm caught in that little ward there. How crazy is that? Let's just try and do that one more time. For this, I'm just going to rake it open, guys. At least I think I'm going to rake it open. Maybe I'm not going to rake it open. There we go. And one more time. Watch the plug, guys. Right around. Crazy stuff. Anyways, guys, that is the Master Lock Magnum M115. Total junk. Sorry about the furnace. Anyways, always keep it legal, guys, and have fun. We'll see you next time.